Hi everyone, this is Pao and welcome back to my channel. Hey! Feeling ko sobrang tagal ko na nung nag-upload ako ng last video. I think it's been a year and a half nung nag-post ako ng last video ko dito sa YouTube. Well, look at my hair. It's color white, gray. It's actually color gray. Nag-fade na siya. This is not really an unboxing of anything kasi nagamit ko na siya. We'll be making a review on this Apple product which is, I think, na-release lang last month. iPhone SE second generation. iPhone SE 2020. iPhone SE 2020. iPhone SE na anak nung unang iPhone. I've been using this one for about a week now. And as in nagagamit ko siya. I've been using an Apple product since nung nag-start ako mag-work after I graduated. So medyo mas na-appreciate ko yung mga functions niya. Kasi nung nag-aaral pa ako, parang more on Android user, more on yung mga Android phones, other type of smartphones, kasi mas marami tayong magagawa unlike sa Apple product na parang yun lang, paulit-ulit lang yung pwede natin gawin sa kanya. This is the box. Yan, this one. As you can see, iPhone on the side and the logo of iPhone. What I got is an iPhone SE with a 64 gig and wala na yung phone. Kasi nga hindi siya unboxing video. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Upon opening the box, there's the manual itself, the stickers here. We also have the manual for the phone. We also have the SIM ejector or SIM ejector pin. SIM ejector pin. Yung pantusok. Yung kapag wala ka, hihiram ka ng pakaw sa nanay mo para mabuksan mo, malagyan mo ng SIM card yung iPhone mo. Meron siyang kasama sa box niya na the standard adapter for the iPhone. I think this is 5 watts. This is not a fast charger. If you want a fast charger for your iPhone, you'll need to purchase it separately. And I think here it might cost you about 1,500 and above. I'm not sure. Aside from the charger, we also have here the earpods. May wire yan. They made this one sa lightning cable. Yung dulo niya yung parang lightning cable na siya. So yun lang naman yung kasama niya sa box. So then the wire here, the cable itself, which is USB to a lightning. So here's the phone itself. This is the actual phone. iPhone SE 2020. What I got here is a clear case from Changge, para mura. And also a tempered glass. As you can see, I'm using my other iPhone. That is an iPhone XR for this video. It's not bezel-less. Makapal yung bezel niya, yung gilid niya, ayan. Home button, which is na-miss nating lahat, ayan. We don't have a Face ID. Instead, we have a Touch ID for this one. Mabilis naman siya. And ayun. Wala siyang Face ID. Ayun siya. Yung case na ginamit dito is from iPhone 8. Ayan. Maliit lang siya. Medyo matakaw lang siya sa fingerprints kapag lagi niyo siyang ginagamit. Ayan. Ayan. Yung battery pala nitong iPhone SE, this one is not 3,000 mAh. This is just 1,800 plus mAh. So, hindi naman siya mabilis malobat. It's long-lasting. It will last for a day. I have here my Samsung S8. So, if you're just gonna compare the size of this phone, this is too small. Yan. So, this is my Samsung S8 and this is the SE. Ganyan maliit siya. Ayan o. checked the I also checked the Antutu benchmark for this phone, and it really surprised me because the score of this is 457,472. With the score or benchmark as high as that, what I can say, this is a very good phone. Here in the Philippines, the starting price for this phone is about 26,500 plus, let's say 27,000 for the 64 gigabytes. Thank you for watching. This is Pao, and see you again on my next vlog.